Hi, it's Mark here from FGS Glass, and today I want to show something off. Yeah. Here I've got a sample of a 62mm stair tread. This is going in a property in northern New South Wales, and it's going to be fully cantilevered out of the wall. It's going to be shipped safe and sound inside our fully enclosed timber cases, custom built for each job. This stair tread features our P4 rated anti-slip and, of course, exclusive Edge Plus finish. I also want to talk about balustrading. So for that, let's head into the office. If you're installing balustrading using either mini posts or standoffs, then you need to provide an engineering certificate with every single job. If there's a fall of more than 5 meters, then the glass needs to be laminated. And FGS Edge Plus is without a doubt the best finish you're going to find for laminated glass. See how the interlayer finishes perfectly flat with the top edge of the glass with Edge Plus? Well, that means water can't pool here, so the glass is not going to delaminate prematurely. If you're quoting a job and you need to know what glass to use, we can provide prelim calcs for free, and full engineering documents are usually only $1,000. If you're installing laminated glass, get your hands on one of our Edge Plus trophies. These sample trophies show your customers the perfect finish that you can provide. So for help with engineering of any kind of glass, or for a sample of Edge Plus, just give me a call.